to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the Ring Doorbell Pro. So this is the one with the mains adapter. They do a few other ones, so they do the ones with the battery and they also do one that's hardwired. So this video today is just going to be a quick unboxing and the reasons why I've gone for this version rather than the other ones. So just stick with us and we'll get straight into it. Right guys, so this is going to be the initial unboxing of the Ring Doorbell Pro. So this version is the mains adapter version. They do this version in the battery powered, where you just it's a bigger version than this, and you just put the batteries up inside that. And then they do this version as a hardwire, which is the really thin cables that actually screw in it. So it's like a like-for-like swap for the original one that you had. I don't have any doorbell at the moment, so it's extremely hard to hear people. So this is why I purchased this. I did get this on a deal, which was from Amazon for, I think it was £100. And I know that they were around about £150 at the moment. I think couriers have got them for about 120, so I got a pretty decent deal. So yeah, let's get into it then. So this is just a box. First off. There we go. Right, so I've been after a doorbell for quite a while. The system that we've got at the moment is the Blink system. So I wanted to try and get pretty much the same as that, but they never could give us a release date on that. So in the end, I just went for a Ring. So it looks like these are your instructions. Getting those in here. So yeah, these are your instructions, and it looks like it's some sort of mounting plate that's got a level in there, so you can level that bit up. General warranty and terms. Safety instructions in there. Some other stuff. Ooh, some lovely stickers. So do them for all different languages. So if you really want, you can stick one of them up on your door and then people know. So here we go then. So it looks like you've got four different cases. So here we go. Right. So let's go with the cases themselves. So we've got like is it a black? And then another colour, which is like a kind of a grey colour, I want to say. You've got your silver standard, and you've got like a white, but it kind of looks a little bit off-white rather than white. You see, that's your white, that's your off-white. So here's the doorbell itself. Put that away for a second. So it's not very heavy. So these are the terminals that I was saying. So when I was saying that you wired it from one that you've already got, you just wire it straight up into there. I'm not too sure if this version you have to do the same and then just wire it into a plug, but we'll have a look. So this one's got 180-degree field of view. That's this lens here. So it just means that it's curved. So the curvature on this will just mean that it'll see. So for instance, instead of seeing just further forward, it'll see to the side over here, and then to the side over here. Same with the top and the bottom. It's just got a wide field of view, so you don't miss any of the action. So there's a stopper just for the for the doorbell itself, and then just a plastic cover for the front there. So it's also got full 1080p lens inside it, and it's also got two-way voice control. So it means that if someone rings the doorbell, you can hear them, but they can also hear you. I haven't got the chime, which I know that the chime you can buy as well, but I've got Amazon Alexa and my phone, so I'll just connect it up to that. That won't bother me. So let's just see what else is in the box. Instruction. So it's just make sure to install the Pro Power Kit. So that's the plug that comes with it. This is the reason why I went to it. So basically the reason why I went for this one is because I didn't want to change the batteries all the time. I know that people, I think it were claiming about a year, no sorry, not a year, about 6 months use, something like that. And people were finding that it just wasn't getting that much use and it were running out. So this is why I wanted to go for this version, and for where it's going to be situated, it's ideal. So this looks, first off, looks like there's a lot of cable. Look at that. Must be meters and meters and meters. I can find out an exact meterage if you want. If you just put it in the comment section below, and I'll let you know what meterage it is. And then you'll have your adapter on there. So yeah, sorry, what was I saying? So the reason why I went for this is basically where it's situated, it would be ideal. I've got a plug socket right behind. So all I have to do is just drill a hole through, and then I'll just mount this cable just to the skirting board down into the plug, and then it'll be constantly hardwired. The other good thing about that is that so you don't actually miss anything. So when it starts recording, it'll actually record further back, and then when it stops recording, it'll actually record further than the battery powered one. So that's another reason why I wanted to go for that. And you don't have to worry about constantly logging into it and seeing it live, because obviously that'll eat up all the battery. So with it being hardwired, I won't have that issue. So you've just got a double-sided screwdriver. It's got like an Allen key bit on one end, and a Phillips on the other. And it just fits in there. So these will be all your adapters. Drill bit for mounting it onto the brick. So this is a doorbell bypass. So you remove the 2 wires from the doorbell chime, then insert into this device. So this is basically a type of transformer that deliver the correct power to the unit itself. I don't think I need that, but I will double check. I think I should be okay in just using the power adapter with the UK 3-pin plug, and then just straight onto the back, but I will double check. So that should just slide, there you go, just slides up in there, and that just goes straight into the wall. So in my next video, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you how to actually attach this to the wall and set it up the same way that I'm going to set it up. So thank you for watching, and if you liked this, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, then just click the subscribe button below, and that'll just keep you in the loop for all the new videos and contents that will be coming. I'll be doing a few more unboxing videos, some more outside camera videos as well, so just keep a lookout for that.